Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Auto Skills. Today we are going to talk about a hybrid code P0AA1 hybrid battery positive contactor stuck closed. What causes the code? What's the trouble area? And what should we check? Let's watch with us in this video. Let's start. Okay, let's talk about the description of this code in all data repair software. DTC detection condition. The SMRs system main relays connect and disconnect the high voltage power supply circuit in accordance with requests from HV control ECU. To ensure a reliable operation, they consist of total of 3 relays, 1 for negative side and 2 for positive side. To connect system main relay number 1 and system main relay number 3 turn on initially. Then system main relay number 2 turns on and system main relay number 1 turns up. This process protects the circuit from high voltage surge current by allowing the limit current to flow via the resistor. To disconnect system main relay number 2 and system main relay number 3, turn off in that order. The HV control ECU checks that the relays have turned up properly. The HV control ECU monitors the proper operation of system main relays Contactor 1, Contactor 2 and Contactor 3 to check for a malfunction, because it might be impossible to shut up the high voltage system if either of number 1 and number 2 system main relays becomes stuck. The HV control ECU monitors the 2 relays and stop the system if malfunction is found in either relay. So this was the description of the code. Now let's see about the pictures, or we can say the trouble area. As you see in this on the screen, this is system main relay number 1 and this is system main relay number 2. There are 2 main relays in the positive side, so number 1 and number 2. Here service plug grip, or we can call it interlock, and at the negative side of the system it is system main relay number 3. So when the current comes in, first it comes to system main relay number 1, then from number 1 it goes to number 2. So if this code is detected on the scanner, then what should you check? System main relay terminal of HV battery positive side stuck closed. So the trouble area is system main relay number 1 and number 2 system main relay. First you should check the relays, you should check the connections, the wiring. Okay, inspection number 1 system main relay. Inspect number 1 system main relay. If it is not good, replace number 1 system main relay. If system number 1 main relay is okay, then you should replace system main relay number 2. So this was the description in all data about the code P0AA1. Thank you for your cooperation. Please subscribe our channel. Inshallah, in next videos we will talk about the description of every code. Thank you.